Hi friends, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to give you the ultimate strategy to crack the CSAT paper in the next 50 days. Guys, if you do what I tell exactly in this video, no one can stop you to clear the CSAT cutoff. Guys, CSAT paper is becoming very tough with every passing year. And last year, a lot of students who passed the GS1 cutoff could not clear the CSAT paper. And this is the reason the GS1 cutoff is decreasing. Guys, my name is Santosh Pandey. I have the unique distinction of cracking the civil services prelims paper all 6 times. I have scored very high marks in CSAT. In one paper, I scored around 190 also. You can see some of my scorecards. So guys, I in this video will give you an ultimate strategy in next 50 days with little preparation also how to clear the CSAT. Okay, so what you need to do is that first you have to understand two things. First thing is that if you try to do everything, you will accomplish nothing in CSAT. This means what? The CSAT paper has quantitative aptitude, the CSAT paper has reasoning, the CSAT paper has reading comprehension. If you try to do everything, all these three things, every question in these three things, you will accomplish zero. Zero means you will fail in the CSAT paper. Let me tell you very frankly. So do not, again, I'm trying to tell always, both in GS paper 1 and GS paper 2, do not aim for everything. If you aim for everything, you will accomplish zero. Anda. You are not going to accomplish anything. Okay. Second thing you need to keep in mind is that know your enemy and know yourself, and you can fight hundreds battle without a disaster. Guys, failing in CSAT after crossing GS1 cutoff is a disaster. And that disaster should not happen to you. And when it will not happen to you? When you know yourself. Do you know yourself? Do you know your strength? Do you know your weaknesses? Do you know the strength and weaknesses of the CSAT paper? So first you have to know that. First you have to know that. How to know that? Okay. So I'm giving you one exercise. You just spend 3 to 4 hours for this exercise. I can tell you, you do not need anyone to crack CSAT paper. You can easily crack CSAT paper yourself if you do this exercise. So in the next 5 minutes, I'm going to give you the exercise which you need to do. So what you do, you take the 2023 paper. You can take both 2023 and 2022 also. It's up to you. But first you take the 2023 paper. Okay. Do not put any time limit. Okay. So no time limit. I'm writing it, no time limit. No time limit does not mean that entire day you keep doing same thing. No. No time limit means, okay, the 2023 paper has to be solved in 2 hours. So you can take 3 hours. You can take 4 hours. That's it. Okay. And from question one, you can make a table. You write here topic. Here you write doable and non-doable. So question one, you can write here number system, remainder. Okay, 1 second. Here you write a number system, reminder. Okay, doable, you can write doable. Then you write time distance. Question two, again you write doable. Question three, permutation combination, non-doable. Non-doable means you spent 5 minutes. You spent 5 minutes. Then also you are not able to solve. You spend 3 4 minutes. In exam, you don't have 5 minutes for any question. But here you are doing this exercise. So in place of 2 hours, you can solve the paper in 3 hours, even 4 hours, not a problem. But do this exercise for each and every question in 2023, and also you can do it for 2022. Okay. So after you complete the exercise, you will get to know that which are the topics which are doable for you. Doable means which, if you work hard, if you practice more, you will be able to solve them inside the exam hall. And which are the topics which, even if you are giving a lot of time, you are not able to do it, maybe because you lack the concepts. You have already read that topic, but you have failed to understood that topic. Maybe that is not your level. Maybe that is not your level. It may be hard truth. It may be hard truth. Okay, harsh truth. That is not my level. But don't worry. See, everyone cannot do everything. In competitive exam, everyone cannot do everything. You have to do only that much which is required to clear the cutoff. That's it. Keep this in mind. Don't bring your ego. If you bring your ego, you are destroyed. In competitive exam, keep your ego aside. I know a lot of people who have a lot of ego and they are nowhere. And people who are willing to learn, they crack the exam. So you do this, you will get at least some topics which are doable for you. Count them. Count them, all the doable topics. Count them. Can, with those doable topics plus reading comprehension, guys, I can assure you, if you follow my advice, if you follow my optional elimination strategies for reading comprehension, you can easily score 20 questions. You can easily score 20 questions right. I can guarantee you, assure you, you can easily score 20 questions if you follow my all the advice of reading comprehension. So guys, if you just count the doable quantitative and reasoning questions plus the reading comprehension 20 questions, are you clearing the cutoff? If you are clearing the cutoff, guys, just pick those topics and start solving a lot of good quality questions on those topics. Maybe previous year CAT questions, maybe difficulty level 2 or difficulty level 3 of Arun Sharma. Try to practice a lot of questions in the doable one. I'm not talking about the non-doable. Do not worry if you're clearing the cutoff. With the doable, suppose you are very good in number system, suppose you are very good in time and distance, suppose you are very good in percentages, and with this you are able, plus RC 20 questions, you are able to clear the cutoff. Then no need to read something which is undoable, unnecessary. Don't waste your time. Work hard in these all areas only. Suppose on the other hand, you are not able to clear the cutoff with the doable questions. There are a lot of questions which are undoable. You are not able to do within that stipulated time. You are giving more time also, you are not able to solve. This means your concepts are weak. Then what you do, you analyze yourself, you examine yourself and select 4, 5, 6 topics where if you put some time in the next 50 days, you will be able to solve those questions. Your heart knows, guys, your heart knows which are those sections. If I put hard work, I'll be able to do. Some people are very good in reasoning. Okay, if they put little bit effort, they'll be able to solve. Some people are very stupid in reasoning. Even if they put a lot of effort, they will not be able to solve reasoning question. No, okay, no worry. Don't worry at all. You select what you are good at. You select what you are good at. How do you get to know? Do this exercise without any time limit. Solve the entire paper of 23 and 22. Again, I repeat, solve the entire paper of 23 and 22 and make this exercise doable, non-doable, doable, non-doable, doable, non-doable, and work on the doable part more, because this is what you are able to do in the next 50 days. If it is something is undoable right now, it is very difficult for you to learn that concept completely and then solve very high level questions inside the exam hall. It is impossible right now. So do this exercise. If with these doable questions plus the RC 20 questions you are able to solve and get the cutoff marks, no problem. If suppose the number of doables are less, then you select those non-doable areas where you think you have the self-confidence that if I work on those points, I'll be able to clear the sufficient number of questions which can help me with 20 RCs to solve it. So how to clear RCs, guys? Guys, in my portal, I have prepared, okay, some tips and tricks for RCs. You can see topic wise I have prepared. So 10 videos I have prepared: assumption based RCs, inference based RCs, then corollary based RCs, crucial message based RCs, inference based RCs. So like this, I will, for every topic, every direction of the RC, I have made one video. I have solved all the questions which have come in the last 10 years. In the last 10 years, how many questions have come in the inference I have covered in these videos. Go and watch this video over and over again. You will get an idea. Okay, how to think inside the exam hall. What are the things you have to look for? Watch this video. Very, very immensely useful. I can tell you, if you follow my advice, 20 questions RC you will be easily able to solve. Then what you do, guys, then you come to the reasoning. You see, in reasoning, we have dice, we have counting, ordering, we have cubes, we have syllogism, we have counting, we have coding, we have blood relations, we have series, we have directions, alphabets. You see how many of them you are comfortable, like you are able to understand, apply this logic. Okay, and you try some good questions over them. Similarly, for the quant section also, you have the number system, you have the permutation combination, and you have the arithmetic like this time and work, okay, distance, etc., etc., kind of thing, speed and distance. So you see which are the areas. Is this you are comfortable? Where is your comfort level? Is this your comfort level? Is this your comfort level? Wherever you are having comfort level, work more on that. Work more on that. See, in papers where there is a cutoff, 67 marks only you have to get. Okay. So in those areas, you need not solve each and every questions. You have to just clear the cutoff. So if you are good in RCs, if you are good in RCs, which I am telling you, you can easily do it if you go through these videos. So easily 20 questions you can mark. Easily 20 questions you can mark correctly. So you need very limited number of questions from reasoning and from this section. So go through all these videos, select the areas which is doable for you. And how do you get to know which is doable for you? Do this exercise today. Everyone should do the exercise today and send me their analysis, and then go and watch these videos and solve some good level questions, cat level questions, or difficulty 2, difficulty 3 level questions, Varun Sharma in that section. And I can tell you easily you will be able to crack the CSAT paper. Guys, please do like this video if you like my thought. Again, I'm saying do not have any time limit, and solve and get to know what you are good at and what you are weak at. Avoid the weak, go for the strength. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.